inside the atom. Learning about the atom. Distribution of electrons in orbits. Let us now see how these electrons are organized. According to Bohr, electrons move in the stationary orbits, also called shells, which are associated with a certain amount of energy. The orbit closest to the nucleus is given the number 1. The second orbit, the number 2, and so on. They are also named as K, L, M, N, corresponding to the shell numbers. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. The number of maximum electrons in each orbit is given by a formula, 2n square. The following table gives the maximum number of electrons in each orbit. Electronics configuration of elements. The arrangement of electrons of each element in their orbits or shells is known as its electronics configuration. You have seen that K, L, M, N shells occupy 2, 8, 18, 32 electrons respectively. Every electron has a fixed amount of energy depending on which orbit present in it. Electrons in the first orbit, that is K, have minimum energy. Electrons in the subsequent orbit possess higher energy. Electrons in an atom occupy shells in increasing order of energies. Now let us see the electronic configuration of atoms of some elements. Atomic number and atomic mass number. Atomic number Z is the number of protons present in an atom. An atom of an element is electrically neutral. The number of protons and electrons are equal. The atomic number of carbon is 6. How many electrons are present in the atom of sodium? Contains 11 electrons in its atom. What is its atomic number? Atomic masses are measured in a unit called Dalton, that is mu. A Dalton is approximately equal to 1 atomic mass unit, that is mu, which is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kg. The mass of a proton, neutron and electron is approximately 1 U and 0.0055 U respectively. So you can realize how less the mass of electron is as compared to the masses of proton and neutron. Hence, while calculating mass of an atom of an element, we only add up the mass of proton and neutron. The atomic mass of an element is equal to the sum of the number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of the element. It is called the mass number and denoted by symbol A. The atomic number and mass number of an element can be represented symbolically as: the atomic number and mass number of magnesium is 12 and 24 respectively. How will you represent it symbolically? The atomic number of calcium is 20 and its atomic mass is 40. So how many neutrons are present in the nucleus of calcium? There are 20 into bracket 20 minus 40 neutrons in the nucleus of calcium. Isotopes and their application. In nature, it is found that many elements have atoms with same atomic number but different atomic mass number. Such atoms of the same elements are called isotopes. Many elements have isotopes and a mixture of them is present in the element. For example, carbon exists in two isotopic forms, 12C and 14C. The number of neutrons in isotopes is different. The chemical properties of isotopes are the same Though some physical properties may differ, hydrogen has 3 isotopes:
protium,
heavy hydrogen or deuterium, that is D, and tritium, that is T. They have 1 proton and 1 electron each. But deuterium has 1 and tritium has 2 neutrons. Chlorine has 2 isotopes. One has atomic mass number 35 and the other 37. Both have the same atomic number 17. Hydrogen exists in 3 isotopic forms. Chlorine exists in 2 isotopic forms. Now, uses of isotopes. Isotopes are widely used for different purposes. Uranium -235 is used for nuclear fission and production of energy. Isotopes of some elements are used in the medical treatment of deadly diseases like cancer. Iodine 131I is used in the treatment of goiter, a disease of the thyroid gland. Isobars. Atoms of different elements having different atomic numbers but the same atomic mass numbers are called isobars. For example, 18 Ar raised to power 40, 19 K raised to power 40, 20 Ca raised to power 40. Potassium K atom has 19 protons and 21 neutrons in its nucleus. Calcium Ca atom has 20 protons and 20 neutrons in its nucleus. Argon, that is Ar, atom's nucleus contains 18 protons and 22 neutrons. What are the atomic mass numbers of K, Ca and Ar? There are a number of different elements whose atomic mass numbers are same. Such atoms are called isobars. In the above example, K40, Ca40 and Ar40 are isobars. Summary. Electrons move in the stationary orbits, also called shells, which are associated with a certain amount of energy. The arrangement of electrons of each element in their orbits or shells is known as its electron. Atomic masses are measured in a unit called Dalton, that is U. A Dalton is approximately equal to 1 atomic mass unit, that is AMU, which is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 27. The atomic mass of an element is equal to the sum of the number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of the atom. So that is all in this chapter, student. Keep learning.